Hi, my name's John Cooksey, and I want to tell you about a great opportunity if you like to make cool social media videos and you want to get those hits, you want to get those shares, you want to get those follows. Well, I'm teaching a course at National Park College for only 3 sessions starting March 28th at 6 p.m. That's Thursday nights for 3 sessions, all about making 1-minute social media documentaries. So you're able to take your phone and go out there and making cool videos that people want to see, that have a lot of punch, that people want to share with others. So whether you're have a business or whether it's a personal thing and you want to improve the video quality that you do with your cell phones, you got to sign up for the class, or perhaps you know somebody that wants to sign up for the class. I'm going to show you an example of one of our 1-minute videos we did, coincidentally this one for National Park College.
This is open to everyone, so as you can see we have a lot of students from our local area school districts, but a lot of adults also come in here to utilize the makerspace and the tools we have available, and then some of our instructors are here as well that teach classes in the evening for adults. And our main purpose was to have a space where students and community could explore innovative technologies that our local industries use. So it always kind of circles back around to our business and industry. We want people to be exposed to the new technologies that they're utilizing so that they can be skilled workers and go to work in those companies. So economic development is our primary goal. We want to encourage other innovative companies to come to Hot Springs in the Garland County area.
It's just like an open space. You can create anything. It's very free. Like, your imagination can soar. You can be anything. So it's pretty awesome.
So the video you saw just there, that was done with just one camera, no external mics, no external lights, very simple video, but as you can tell, it's a shareable video and it gets the message across. So if you want to get your message across, either personal or business, come to the class, sign up for the class. There's going to be links at the bottom here and at the end of the video, and we'd love to see you there. Please share this with somebody who you know may want to boost their personal web social media presence or their business social media presence. We look forward to seeing you at the class.